PT1 exam is conducted from 22, so that I think 20. So we are going to start revision from unit number 1 and 2. So there is our first poem, which is Wake Up. It is first poem. So we are going to revise all the new words with their meanings, question and answers, and all the important part from this poem. Okay. Now what you have to do? You will listen carefully. आप बस ध्यान से सुनेंगे. Nobody will disturb in between. Priyanshi, please mute yourself. Mute your mic. Okay. Yes. Very good. So just listen carefully. In the first poem, first question is very important. What is the name of the poet? जिसने पोयम लिखी है उसका नाम क्या है? उनका नाम क्या है? सी फ्लेचर. सी फ्लेचर is the poet of poem number 1, Wake Up. So keep this in your mind. Wake Up, C. Fletcher. There are some new words, also
Good
some
morning,
rhyming
sir.
words, also some opposite words are there from the poem, in the poem. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepyhead. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, and the ducks and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, chip, chip, chip. Wake up. This is the simple poem. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you all the new words with their meanings. First word is there, lovely. Lovely. Oh, we all know that the meaning of lovely. Lovely means very beautiful. Lovely means very beautiful. In your exam, some questions will be asked. Just like that, match the words with their correct meanings. Match the words with their correct meanings. Yes. So these types of questions will be asked in your exam. So be prepared. So listen carefully. The meaning of lovely is very beautiful. Meaning of lovely is very beautiful. After this, buzzing. Buzzing means
Humming
humming
song.
sound of bees. Humming sound of bees or mosquitoes. Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means जो ज्यादा सोता है. Okay, sleepyhead means a sleepy person. Sleepyhead means a sleepy person, ज्यादा सोने वाला इंसान, उसे कहते हैं sleepyhead. Okay. After this, tiniest means very small. Tiny, small. Tiniest, very small. Tiniest, very small. First word, I told you,
Good
lovely.
morning.
The correct meaning of this word is
Good morning, ma'am.
very beautiful. Another word is there, buzzing. It means buzzing sound of bees or mosquitoes. Okay. The third word is there, sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means a sleepy person. Sleepy person who sleeps all the time. Who wants to sleep all the time. जिसे हर बार या हर वक्त सोना अच्छा लगता है, उस पर्सन को स्लीपी हेड कहते हैं. ओके. सो स्लीपी हेड मीन्स अ स्लीपी पर्सन. एंड द लास्ट fourth word is tiniest. We all know the meaning of tiny. Tiny means small. So what is the meaning of tiniest? Tiniest means very small.
Small. The tiniest
Tiniest
dot.
means very small. Nobody will disturb. Just listen. एकदम ध्यान से सुनेंगे सभी. Vineet, Anurag, Avishi, I am not asking to anyone. Just listen carefully. Okay, so just overlook on the rhyming words from this poem. Day, play. Only from the poem we are going to discuss some rhyming words. Day, play. Day, play. Trees, bees. Trees, bees. Trees, bees. After this, bed, head. Bed, head. After this, out, about. Out, about. Sheep, chip. Sheep, chip. These are the rhyming words. If you want to ask me some opposite words, some pairs of opposite words from this poem, so day, night. Day, night. These are the opposite words. This is the pair of opposite. Okay, day, night. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. After this, come, go. Come, go. Come, go. After this, after this, after this, after this, yes, that's it. All these words, all these pairs of opposite we have discussed here. Let's turn towards some question and answers from this poem. First question is there. What do you think birds say to each other in the morning? What do you think? आपको क्या लगता है? Bird is saying or birds say to each other in the morning. Birds wish good morning to each other in the morning. Birds wish. Birds जो है वो wish कर रहे हैं. Birds wish good morning to each other. Second question is there. Who are already awake? Who are already awake? This question is very simple. We all know who are already
The
awake.
birds and bees are already awake.
I am not asking anybody else.
Already
Please keep your mics on mute mode. Okay. Now here 60 students are watching this video. I am really happy to see that. Okay, so just listen carefully. And it is not possible to ask each questions to everyone. Okay, तो कुछ बच्चों के मन में फिर ये आएगा कि मुझे नहीं पूछा, उसी को पूछा, तो इसीलिए just listen carefully. Okay, this is revision. Yes. Who are already awake? The birds and bees are already awake. The birds and bees are already awake. Third question is there. Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? बच्चा उठने से पहले, सबसे पहले कौन कौन उठा था? Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? The cow, the horses, the ducks, sheep, and the tiniest chicken, all are already awake before the child does. बच्चा उठने से पहले cow, horse, duck, sheep, and the tiniest chicken, these 5 creatures are already awake before the child. After this, some questions are there. Connect the pairs of sentences below using and or but. This question will be asked in your exam. So listen carefully. And or but. And का meaning क्या होता है? And. If we can say and means or, but, किंतु, पर. Okay. Connect the pairs of sentences below using and or but. It is time to get up for school. I want to sleep for some more time. First of all, please understand the meaning of the given sentences. After that, you can easily use and or but correctly. Okay, what is the meaning of first sentence? It is time to go for school. अब टाइम हुआ है स्कूल जाने का, अब स्कूल जाने का टाइम हुआ है. I want to sleep for more time. मुझे और सोना है. अब देखिए फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, स्कूल जाने का टाइम हुआ है, मुझे और सोना है. तो जो सेंटेंसेस है, बोथ सेंटेंसेस आर connected, but we have to connect with a correct word. But yes, some students are telling the answer in comment box. Yes, very good. So it's time to get up early, or it's time to get up for school, but I want to sleep more. But I want to sleep more. मुझे और भी सोना है ना. जैसे स्कूल जाने का टाइम हुआ है, लेकिन मुझे और सोना है. Okay, let's take another sentence. Shaila got some chocolates for her birthday. She got some new clothes too. Now here in the first sentence we can easily say that there is a birthday of Shaila, and on the occasion of her birthday she got some chocolates and some new clothes too. So we can add here, we can connect these two sentences with the help of and. Now how we can make a new sentence? Shaila got some chocolates and new clothes on her birthday. Yes, very good. Shaila got some chocolates and new clothes on her birthday. Yes. Everyone has to go. Everyone has gone to sleep, and I want to read my book. Everyone has gone to sleep. हर कोई सोया है, सो रहा है. I want to read my book. मुझे मेरी बुक पढ़नी है. Now here we can use but correctly. Very good. Most of the students are telling me the answer in comment box. It's so nice. Very good, बच्चे. Everyone has gone to sleep, but I want to read my books. Yes, but is the correct word here. It is conjunction. Okay. Yes. Raju plays cricket. She also plays hockey. Yes. So here we have to connect these two sentences with the help of and or but. So the correct sentence is Raju plays cricket and hockey. Raju plays cricket and hockey. Yes, that's it. After this, one pattern is there. As I taught you, as we learn here, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, this is the grammar related topic we discussed earlier. So here some pattern is given and some blank spaces are given to you. Okay, you will fill this with correct word. First is tiny, tinier, tiniest. Now जैसा कि मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था, बताया था, कंपैरेटिव में ER लास्ट में आता है और सुपरलेटिव में EST आता है. ओके, सो जस्ट चेक इट आउट हियर. टाइनी, टाइनियर, टाइनीएस्ट. टाइनी, टाइनियर, टाइनीएस्ट. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. Big, bigger, biggest. I am going to write here. Nobody will write all these words in your copy. You need not to write. Okay, आपको यहाँ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है? So just look at the board here. Tiny, tinier, tiniest.
Sir,
After this,
yeah.
बिग, बिगर।
सर इसको कॉपी में लिखना है।
राघव, आपने सुना नहीं शायद, मैंने यही बोला कि लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। इट इज ऑलरेडी इन योर बुक, इन योर कॉपी, फिर भी आप पूछ रहे हो बेटा। बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट। स्लीपी, स्लीपियर एंड स्लीपीएस्ट। Okay, after this, love, lovelier, loveliest. After this, late, latter, latest. Yes. Round, rounder, roundest. Small, smaller, smallest. And good, better, best. Yes, that's it. These words are already given in your book. Okay, so revise it once. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. This is the positive form. This is comparative. Here you can see er is there, er is there, er, 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 er. Okay, so whenever you find er at the last in the word, it means it is comparative. Okay, but it is particularly I am asking about the adjectives and its form of positive, comparative and superlative. ये बस इसी के मामले में है। ओके, इसी के बारे में मैं बता रहा हूं, नहीं तो आप जहां पे ई आर है वो कंपैरेटिव है। नो। ओके, so tiny, tinier, tiniest, big, bigger, biggest, sleepy, sleepier, sleepiest, love, lovelier, loveliest, late, latter, latest, round, rounder, roundest, small, smaller, smallest, good, better, best. Also, at the time of question and answers, we wrote many words. कन्हैया, मैंने लिखने के लिए नहीं बोला है बेटा। All these words are already in your copy, are already in your book. If you want to write, please hurry up. All the students are waiting. Okay, write fastly. For all the students, please listen carefully. Orally I am going to tell you another words like old, older, oldest, old, older, oldest, bad, worse, worst. Okay, so like this we have learned already. We have written all the words, all the extra words. As you can see, young, younger, youngest, wise, wiser, wisest, large, larger, largest, safe, safer, safest, hot, hotter, hottest, much, more, most, happy, happier, happiest, easy, easier, easiest, fine, finer, finest or finest, fast, faster, fastest, slow, slower, slowest. Okay? Yes. Hope you all understand this. After this, our first lesson, which was very interesting, कि जो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था, नेहा's alarm clock. Here, Neha is a girl who wants to sleep more, but someone disturbs each time. First, alarm clock, another one, bird, After this, son. After this, her mother. Okay. But at the end of this story, we learn that there is a clock inside us who tells us to get up, who tells us to eat, who tells us to study, who tells us to sleep, who tells us to wake up, be ready for school. Yes. Okay, there is a clock inside us. अगर हमें उठाने के लिए कोई नहीं है, there is no alarm clock, there is no sunlight, there is no birds. Okay, so you can wake up yourself with the help of your inside clock, which is inside our body. Okay, students. So some new words are in here in this story. Shall we revise it once? Yes. First word is there, snuggles. Snuggles. This is the first word, to be in a comfortable position. Snuggles, to be in a comfortable position. Another word, mutters. Mutters means say something in a very low voice. Say something in very low voice. यानी बहुत धीरे धीरे से बातें करना. Third word, window sill. The bottom part of the window or the bottom part of a window. It is called window sill. Okay, मैंने आपको ड्राइंग भी करके बताई थी. Look at here. This is a window. If this is window, okay. So this is the bottom part. It is called window sill. Okay, this is the bottom part of the window. It is called window sill. The bottom part of a window. After this, relax. Free from tension. Relax means free from tension. Tension से दूर. It is called relax. After this, she tried to relax. Oh, sorry. After this word, okay, all the words are over. First word is snuggles. It means to be in a comfortable position. Another word, mutters. Mutters means to speak in a very low voice or to say something in a very low voice. Third word, window sill, the bottom part of the window. And the fourth word, relax. Relax means free from tension. Free from tension. Tension से दूर होना, दूर रहना. Now let's discuss some question answers from this story. Open the book at page number 10. There we have some questions. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? There are three options. What are these? 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock or 6 o'clock? It is 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
It is 6 o'clock. Second question is there. What did the bird say? Bird ने क्या कहा नेहा से? Three options are there. Sleep on, सोते रहो. Wake up, उठ जाओ. Go and play, जाओ और खेलो.
Wake up.
Yes, the correct answer is second one. It is wake up. Very good, very good. The third question is there. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? The three options are our body clock, our eyes, and the third option is our feet. The correct answer is first one, our body clock. Our body clock. Fourth question is there. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. Now here some letters are in jumbled form. What we have to do there? We have to write all the letters in correct order to make it meaningful word. As you can see in the first, ILSEM. The correct word we can make from these jumbled words, it is smile. SMILE. Yes, very good. SMILE, smile. After this, MRALA. It is alarm. Very good. ALARM, alarm. After this, OCKLC,
Clock. Clock.
CLOCK,
Clock.
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 Nobody will disturb.
Clock. Sir,
Hiren,
clock.
if you want to give me answer, then you can type in comment box. Okay. Yes, very good. After this, NORMING.
Morning.
Who is telling? Okay. MORNING. It is morning. It is morning. After this, EDORNS. Snored. 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 WODWIN. WINDOW. It is window. It is window. 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 Okay. After this, on the next page, we have another question. Let's listen and talk. Let's listen and talk. Sounds you heard, sounds your friend heard. अगर आपने ध्यान से सुना तो आपको in your surrounding you can hear various types of sounds. Yes, various types of sounds we can hear, just like vehicles, vehicle sounds, birds, people, and some friends and some boys, some children are playing in the garden. We can hear the sound. Okay. Another question is there, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? I will wake up with the help of sound of chirping, sound of birds, bell of the temple. Yes, these are the answer you can write. Okay, that's it. The third question is there, what are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? अगर दिन में हमें टाइम पता करना है तो हम कैसे पता करेंगे? What are the different ways of knowing the time in during day? Listening to the radio or TV. TV और रेडियो पर हम सुन सकते हैं. After this, asking someone who knows, जिन्हें पता है कि कितने बजे हैं, उनको पूछ के हम पता कर सकते हैं. And by judging the time by sunlight, और सनलाइट को जज करके भी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, टाइम पता कर सकते हैं. Okay, students. After this, there is one maze where you can where you have to find some hidden words, just like mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. Okay. So easily we can find all the words: mother, hungry, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, and Sunday. After this, on page number 13, we have another question. Who said this word and to whom? Students, let me tell you, this question will be asked in your exam. Okay, this question will be asked in your exam, but listen and read the question carefully. Here, the two different questions in single question. दो अलग अलग क्वेश्चन है एक ही क्वेश्चन में. Who said these words? To whom? किसने किससे कहा? It means you have to write two names. Who said these words and to whom? किसने कहा और किससे कहा? You will write both the names. Okay? यहां पे दोनों के नाम लिखने हैं. Yes. Wake up dear, wake up fast. Who said? Bird said. To whom? नेहा. किसने कहा? Birds ने कहा. किससे कहा? नेहा से कहा। माँ, who woke me up today? Neha said to her mother. Yes. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Mother said to Neha. Mother said to Neha. After this, the use of was and where. Use of was and where. Here, as I told you, Ram dash a good football player.
Sir was.
Ram dash a good football player. We have to use was and were.
Was.
So was is there. Was should be there. Nobody will write. किसी को भी नहीं लिखना है. Was क्यों use किया? Why we use here was? Because Ram is singular and this sentence is in past. Past means past tense. Okay, if we can say in past, it means भूतकाल. तो ये जो sentence है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Past tense में लिख रहे हैं. Ram is a singular, अकेला है, so we used here was. After this, the cows. Cows. This is the plural form of cow. The cows were. Were should be there. Grazing in the field.
Server.
Yes.
Server.
After this, my toys. Toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. This is also plural form of toy. So, were should be there.
Were.
My toys were broken. My toys were broken. After this, her frock. Frock is a singular. So was should be there. Her frock was too long. Her frock was too long. Yes, very good, very good. After this, the market. Dash closed.
Was.
Was should be there.
Was.
The market was closed because market is a singular, single. Okay. After this, the children.
Were.
Children is the plural form of child. Okay. So the children were happy. Yes. And the last sentence here, the flowers were kept in a vase. Flowers is a plural form of flower. Okay. So we used here were. The flowers were kept in a vase. Okay, students. So that's it for today. Hope you all understood this. Students, let me tell you again. Please submit your work assignments in Google Classroom. जितना जल्दी हो सके आप सीख लें. ओके, एज आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑन सैटरडे, जैसे कि मैंने आपको सैटरडे को ही बताया था कि जितने भी बच्चों ने वर्कशीट सबमिट नहीं की है वो सारे बच्चे वर्कशीट जमा करेंगे. कहाँ पे? इन गूगल क्लासरूम. सो दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वन ट्यूटोरियल of creating PDF file and attach to it in Google Classroom. It is already the video and the link of that video. It is already shared in our group. So
Bye,
please
sir.
check it
Thank you
out,
for teaching
watch
us.
it carefully, and make PDF files of your assignments
Bye, sir. Bye,
and
bye,
attach in
sir.
your Google Classroom.
Sir.
Be ready for your
Bye,
exam.
sir.
Prepare yourself for the exam.
Bye,
Revise
sir.
all the question and answers. Okay.
Bye, bye, sir.
So that's it for today. It's bye for now. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.